Hello everyone, welcome to sCRIBIE. So what's this tool all about? It's a transcription tool with human verification, meaning they hire people to transcribe audio. They claim to be the best in the industry, charging 80 cents per minute with over 50,000 certified transcribers. Let's check the pricing section. As I mentioned, it's 80 cents per minute, and they boast 99% accuracy. They offer an online editor, add-ons, and accept credit card and PayPal payment. We can place an order or even work for them, I believe. sCRIBIE's freelance transcription says, work flexibly to earn $5.20 per audio hour. They provide automated scripts to reduce typing effort by 60%. So AI will complement most of the text, but you'll need to verify it, right? What's transcription? Listen, correct, and get paid, okay? You'll earn $5 to $20 per hour of audio. Wow, that's not much, is it? It's low, but you're just transcribing. Can't expect much more. Look, they show it here. 10 hours daily, that's $1,000 a month. No more, no less. That's if you're a beginner. What determines beginner status? I don't get it. I don't understand. They pay more for the same hours, right? See? They pay more, don't they? Beginners get $400 monthly, intermediate $800, advanced $1,600. I guess it's based on reviews and how well you perform, right? Look, see? Hey, we let AI help you do most of the work automatically, okay? You work from home whenever you want, and well, the platform seems pretty simple, so let's check out the reviews too, okay? This platform's typical. You check it out, then it turns out it doesn't pay well. So let's take a look. Let's see, they only have 23 reviews, 2 of them 1 star. sCRIBIE is a scam. Hey, pays little, okay? Well, as long as they pay something. Pays transcribers poorly, which, yeah, €5 an hour. It's a waste of time, they pay too little and ask too much from the transcriber. Anyway, they'll always find ways to change words to avoid paying you. I think this depends more on the buyer, right? This company is a disgrace. Well, this guy's got the wrong platform. An unethical company. They have conflicting policies. When criticized, they get offended and ban users from their site. They ban people who remotely criticize their policies. These poor folks, unaware why, can no longer work for the platform. Also, they randomly claim that files you've worked on for hours were cancelled by the client. They won't pay you but still charge the client. For instance, if I want 5 minutes transcribed and I cancel, they've already charged me but won't pay the transcriber, which honestly is quite unethical, right? Useless as an employee. I mean, sure, it's probably a great platform for someone who needs audio transcribed, but for the person doing the work, I don't think it's worth it, you know? There are many loopholes for them to exploit you, and it's becoming evident, so yeah, just keep that in mind.